I wore the SB Air Jordan 4 Pine Green for 3 months. Here are the pros and cons of wearing the SB Jordan 4. This is what happened. I have a question for you. Do you own a pair of the Jordan 4 Nike SBs? If you do own this sneaker, please comment a bunch of fire emojis down below in the comments. If you do not own a pair, please comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who actually owns a pair and who does not, because these were a very tough pair of sneakers to get. Resells extremely high. Hey, possibly sneaker of the year? Let me know down below in the comments if you guys own a pair. And while you guys are down there, make sure you guys smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 500 likes, and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. If you love sneaker content, join the More family. Now, let's get into the pros and cons of wearing the SB Air Jordan 4 for 3 months. I need to tell you guys where I got the SB4s from. I traded for these on the Retro app. Retro app is a trading platform that you guys can use to trade your sneakers. There's only a $10 trade fee. Every pair is authenticated by hand, so you know that you're getting an authentic product. A fast turnaround time. I got the shoes in under a week, as well as they also have streetwear. And if you guys click the link down below in the description right now, your first trade on the Retro app will be completely free. The Retro app is a great place to trade your sneakers and streetwear. Everything is authenticated. Make sure you guys check it out. I got these SB4s from the Retro app. RTRO, link down below in the description. Thank you, Retro, for sponsoring today's video. And while you're on the app, be sure to add me and trade with me. I'm on the app. Make sure you guys check it out. Download it. It's completely free. Like I said, $10 trades. They have streetwear, used sneakers, brand new sneakers, everything authenticated. And your first trade is free. Why not download it? It's completely free. Check it out, Retro, RTRO. I've been wearing DripGrip sole protectors on the bottom of my SB Jordan 4s to keep them clean, keep them brand new and great condition. Even when I wear the sneaker, you guys can see there's no dirt on these bottoms at all, thanks to DripGrip, the best sole protectors on the market. No slips, no tears, multiple wears. You put the sole protector onto the bottom of the sneaker, wear them as normal, and when you're done, after a bunch of wears, peel off the protectors, and it's gonna keep the bottom looking brand new. I should have done this on camera. I forgot to. I peeled them off a few weeks ago, and I haven't put them back on. I haven't worn them in a little bit, but unfortunately, I completely forgot to show you guys. I promise in my next wear test video, I'll put DripGrip on, and I'll also peel it off for the video so you guys can see the before and after with DripGrip. Shout out to DripGrip, the best sole protectors. This is only possible because of the sole protector. I'll have a link down below. Go cop, and you guys can use my code Danny10 for 10% off your order. Now, I want to talk more about wearing the Jordan 4 SB, because when I first put these on, I have to tell you guys, this is not your normal, typical Jordan 4 on feet. They are a Jordan 4 on feet, right? It looks like a Jordan 4. It is a Jordan 4, but for comfortability, for some reason, it's much higher than a normal, typical Air Jordan 4. I wear the Bread 4s. I wear the Fire Red 4s. I wear a lot of Jordan 4s, UNC 4s. For some reason, a lot of the Jordan 4s lately, throughout the past handful of years, have been tight around here, like around up here where the beginning of the laces are. It's tight. Well, on the SB Jordan 4, not at all. Not at all, which is how I like it. It used to be like that on the Jordan 4s back in like 2012. It wasn't that tight. Over here on the newer pairs, it is, and you have to like really break it in. Here on the SB4s, not the case, which is really nice. It doesn't pinch against your toe really at all. Now, as far as the padding, you guys can notice they are a little thicker, right? They are thicker than your traditional Jordan 4. So with that being said, it is a snugger fit, but it's not tight. So what I mean by that is your foot slides, it glides in there, and it feels snug, but it's not a tight snug. You just know that your foot's not going anywhere, is basically what I'm saying. You're locked in, you're good to go, and you can wear these, in my opinion, longer than a regular pair of Jordan 4s. I've worn these all day. The most I wore these, I would say, is about 7 to 8 hours. I'm not someone that usually wears Jordans for 14, 15 hours at a time. I actually care about my feet to an extent, so when it comes to Jordans, you know, these, I wore them for about 7 to 8 hours at the most over the course of the past 3 months, and they were a pleasure wearing. Now, creasing and dirtiness, I have cleaned them, honestly, a handful of times. That's probably why they look so good on camera right now. In person, there are some dirt marks, and the suede does have some scuffs a little bit, and some things going on it, but for the most part I did take care of them and clean them very well. I was using one cleaner, but I've switched now to FZ150. I actually have a video on FZ150 if you guys want to check it out. Make sure you guys click the top of the screen and check that video out. But yes, I have now switched to FZ150 for these, and it's been a great cleaner, and they've been a much easier time to clean since switching to FZ150. I highly recommend the product. But I would say this, these for some reason, they're not a pain in the ass to really clean like other Jordan 4s. Jordan 4s, I'm not sure if you guys know, like if you really clean your sneakers a lot, Jordan 4s are annoying to clean. A lot of them are annoying to clean because of the material that they're made up of. Well, this one, not so much. The suede you do got to be careful for, and I will say this, as soon as I put them on, within like 20 minutes, I already got something on the suede, so be very careful of the suede. But for the rest of the shoe, easy to clean, which is awesome. Very easy to clean. Now, the Jordan 4 SB logo on the back, it will get a little like dirty. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It is a little dirty here in person, maybe not on camera, but it will get dirty. That's just what happens with the back of this logo. It is plastic after all, like rubber after all, so it will get dirty. Now, I was worried about the heel tab because it is rubber, it's not that plastic, but I will say this, it seems a little bit more durable, to be honest with you, much more durable than I thought it would be, and more durable maybe than the plastic. Now, when I wear my Jordan 4s, I do not use the pull tab as a pull tab on the Jordan 4. I don't recommend it because you could break it or rip it off or something. Not something I want to do, it's too fragile, but I would say if you want to, you kind of can. I think you can, just be not too rough with it because it can still break, tear, rip on you. Be careful of that back pull tab. Now, comfortability, go true to size. I went true to size. They fit true to size. It fits like a Jordan 4, except for the comfortability just being a little bit elevated because it is a Nike SB. It might have something to do with this insole because this insole is a pleasure to wear. This insole, you guys can see it's a little dirty. This insole is a pleasure to wear compared to a regular Jordan 4 insole. They did a great job with the SBs. The SB padding, the SB features throughout the shoe really make the Jordan 4 SB Pine Green an elevated, much better Jordan 4, if you ask me. So I am anticipating more colorways. I'm hoping we do receive more colorways of this fire sneaker. Are these sneaker of the year for me? No, but I still think these are definitely up there. My mind has completely done a 180. If you guys look back on the channel, I did a review video, my first review video on this sneaker. I thought they were absolutely trash, and my mind has completely done a 180. I love the SB Pine Green Jordan 4s. They're a great shoe. They will crease. I'm going to warn you guys, they will crease. I'm not sure if camera's going to pick it up, but they do crease. They definitely do crease a little bit, so be careful of that. And that's about it, man. They are a good shoe. They hold up well. They're durable, which is a really good aspect. And I will say they do seem a little bit lighter than a regular pair of Jordan 4s. So very, very comfortable sneaker. Best Jordan 4. One of the best Jordan 4s of the entire year. Hopefully we get more pairs of the SB Air Jordan 4. This pine green colorway is fire, straight fire, and I've enjoyed wearing them over the past 3 months. Make sure you guys smash that like button and make sure you guys subscribe. Is the SB Jordan 4 worth the money? I know this is an expensive sneaker. Prices have only gone up throughout time now. Are they worth the money? In my opinion, yes. And here's why. Nike SB and Jordan 4s are at their prime. They're at their peak right now. Hype is through the roof. They finally did a collaboration with the Jordan 4. They did a really clean colorway, a very nice, clean, simple colorway that's easy to wear for the most part. I know it's green, so it's not for everybody with the gum outsole, but it is a very clean, wearable sneaker, and if you are planning to buy these, wear them, enjoy them, you don't own a pair of Jordan 4s, or if you do own some 4s, but maybe you don't own some Nike SBs, or you don't own some SBs, but you do own some 4s, either way, I definitely recommend copping a pair. I think you guys will enjoy them. As long as you wear them, put them to use, and really enjoy them and get some really good fits, I think you guys will enjoy wearing them better than a regular pair of Air Jordan 4s, that's for sure. So yes, I do think these are worth the money. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire, straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.